thumbnail.
Okay, we'll just make this quick.
Hey, we're back with another.
We need an intro.
Okay.
Can you figure out what this is? Why are we so?
I don't know.
So we have a new venue. We're at our grandparents' house outside. Protect the seniors.
Oh, true. But we're gonna go back.
Yeah.
You
God. Okay, so we're gonna open this. We're gonna open this.
If you can figure out what we got,
Comment down below.
and you get bragging rights.
Because we can't afford,
Anything.
prizes.
Well,
Anyway.
well, after this, just know that we're broke. That's why. That's why we can't afford anything else. Okay.
Okay.
Look at the
Okay, girl, we gotta open it.
The tape's so cute.
It's a BT21. What's this?
It's Aling Nuna's
It's a Hobi
bundle.
Hobi bundle for Hobi Day, which was February 18.
Happy
His
Hobi
birthday.
Day.
This was from alingnuna.com. I'll just put her
Link.
to her IG. Okay, anyway. I'm gonna use this.
I'm gonna use this so that I don't break the tape. Where do you buy tape like this? I kind of want to wrap everything there.
There
If I
are
send
two
something.
types of people unboxing.
Cookie, right?
Shuki,
Cookie.
Koya, Tata.
Cookie.
Mine's different
Cookie.
Cookie, Chimmy,
Jimmy.
RJ,
RJ.
Van, and Man.
Who's Van?
It's like their protector. I
Mang.
think that's us. Oh, I opened mine already.
Oh, so it's Army.
Okay, there. I fixed the dent.
Okay. Guess what we got? We got.
Oh gosh, so cute.
We bought a water bottle.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It says, "Hope in a bottle. Drink hope, give hope, life goes on."
I'm your hope.
Where?
It says, where is it?
Where?
So, I don't think you can see it though.
It says,
But there's like a hashtag. I'm your hope
where?
in
I
a
can't
bottle.
find it. Here. Oh, I'm your hope in a bottle.
So it's the Life Goes On version. There were a
There-
lot
there's
of versions.
three. There's Dynamite, Life Goes On,
And the Hope World. But this one was the only one available when we finally decided that we want to get it. And there's someone. No, there's more.
wish. Girl, get the other first.
Which one are we
The
doing?
tune first, the tune.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Say
Hey,
hi.
Tita Val.
We're on a live.
Special guest.
We're on a
financer. No joking, we really save everything for ourselves.
Okay.
Tita Val, come here.
Here's the next.
Okay, we have to hurry because we have to play a game with the cousins.
But
Yeah,
J-Hope
we're
first.
already there.
J-Hope.
Okay,
Yeah,
go,
okay.
Go.
Go, so we can finish.
Okay, so here's the next one. This is a Hobi core inspired mask chain. It's so cute. It's kind of like the one I have.
Actually, oh, mine broke. Wally broke mine.
Keep
At
it
least
there.
I have one.
So here.
A replacement.
Yeah. So we'll put this here.
Okay. Okay, the last one. Oh, this.
Let's just show the mask. Okay, so we have.
Oh, no.
We have this
Mask. Oh, shoot. Sorry.
Hobi inspired
Oh,
mask. Oh, it's so cute. It's so pretty.
I'm gonna wear this a lot, and it's
Yeah.
a good material. It's a good material too. Oh shoot! It broke.
Huh?
The plastic broke.
Okay, wait. So it's also. Oh, girl.
It don't break. Ooh, and it's adjustable.
Cool. So here. Look at it. It says Hobi.
That's my ego. We were actually supposed to learn.
Ego.
Cute.
It says Hobi.
You can wear this for tennis actually. Oh, by the way, we started
Well,
doing
yeah. We're doing like a long-term
Hobi thing.
Hobi thing now. It came with postcards.
A bookmark?
A bookmark.
And postcards.
Here, the Polaroids there. This is the
Yeah, that's all right. So there's this.
It's so cute.
And then there's this.
Oh gosh.
I don't know from what song this is though.
We'll figure it out. And postcards.
For his birthday.
Here, this is
Hope World, right? And
here's
then
the other one.
for his birthday.
Oh gosh, the way.
Happy Hobi Day.
Happy Hobi Day.
We love you, Hobi.
Everyone's
We are
screaming.
being
Everyone's screaming at us.
Summoned. But basically,
That's
what we
it.
got.
Bye.
We got caught.
Thank you, God.